Yep, we got a sprout here. Alright, come on little fellas. And we got some backups over here. And that little baggie right there is a bunch of little sprouts that are growing, and I'll get to them eventually. Alright, back in the greenhouse, my dad's greenhouse here. And this is the remainder of my chestnut seeds. And I do believe some of them had some growth on them now, so I'm just going to grab one here. And yeah, see, there we go. Lots of roots right there. So I just needed a little bit more time to get the rest of them. And I just bumped my 89% up to about 98%. So pretty easy thing to stratify in the fridge. Still struggling with my pawpaws a little bit though. And I just ordered the steel for my greenhouse with the skirt. So we'll be getting that in a couple weeks. We'll definitely be making a video for that, so stay tuned. But yeah, we're gonna get these in some pots. And when I came in here, because it's warm in here now, it looks like things are coming to life a little bit. The dirt was a little dry, so I hope I didn't dry out my root. They're not very deep pots, although they should be a little deeper pot, but I don't have them, so, or the room. So all in due time. Alright, it looks like I was closer to 99% because I had 88, I believe. And then if you add another 10, that's 98. And so there's 10 right there. It's kind of weird. I can't remember the exact number, but it was high. Because I got 10 right here, I put in big pots, and then I had 2 smaller ones that I put over here as well. They had very small stubbies, so we'll see if they actually sprout. But hey, so far so good. I'm watering them now because the dirt is getting dry, so a good soak. The temperatures in the greenhouse are in the 20s. I believe the strawberries are opening up or waking up, so we'll probably start keeping wetting these down once a week. See how it goes. Let's get on to the next project. So just to wrap up the weekend, I didn't get a lot done this weekend, although I did order the steel, so that's going to be a big job coming. I am still prepping for the skirt, so digging a few more holes, trying to figure out how I'm going to make the styrofoam and the metal attached to the backing in some way, uniformly. So we got that done. Let's go down to the other end and I'll show you the other spot I finished. So it is muck season. I am like carrying 20,000 pounds of mud on my boots. I'm very tired from just doing that, but yeah, I just finished the other side. This is the other side of the front, basically the front. That's a horrible picture. Let's get some light on the subject here. But yeah, again, I'll be able to put a shelf on this side, just a ledge at least, do some work. But look at this muck is crazy. It's just sticking to everything. It's making it harder to work, and that's about it really. Just some chicken shots. These are just the ones up here in the goat pasture. And there's our champ. Hey champ, taking care of all the girls. They should be bursting anytime. This month, next month. They're coming soon. So don't forget, if you like my videos, hit that thumbs up down there and smash the subscribe button. And we'll see you next week. Oh, they're in love.